How to fix Xiaomi phone no sound. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to solve this issue of no sound, what you simply need to do is make a tap on the settings application on your device. As you tap on settings application on your device, just scroll down and tap on the option of sound and vibration. So tap on sound and vibration, and as you do that, make sure that you have your ringtones to the maximum and not the minimum. So as you keep it on the maximum, you'll be able to listen to the voice. Next, make sure that your phone is not in the silent mode for yourself. Then check on the do not disturb or the DND mode over here. Now as you tap on DND, you can see. So here you can just see that the DND is currently toggled on. So make sure to toggle off this option and you'll be able to fix Xiaomi phone no sound issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.